Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good, good.
I'm
How are
good.
you?
And how are you? How how is the day going today?
Day was pretty normal. Uh, it was a working day, so I was working whole day, but my work finished early in the evening. So I was free by 6:30, so
Okay.
I had gone for a walk after a long time. I went for a walk. Then I cooked something. So nice evening.
Uh, uh,
What about you? How was your day?
I am here. Today is good. A
Mhm.
lot of work today. But
Okay,
yeah, some work finished, but some work not finished.
okay.
I think tomorrow I will finish my work. Yeah.
Mhm.
Today
So
lot
looks
of
like
work.
you have come
Yeah.
back from
I
office
also
just now because you are still wearing shirt.
yes, ma'am.
Looks like you have come back from office just now because you are still wearing shirt.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, lot of work. Sometimes it's a lot of yeah, sometimes it's free, but sometimes it's a lot of work.
Okay. And what is the time difference
Mm.
between that place and here?
Oman,
Oman,
1 hour
yes,
30
yes.
minutes.
30 minutes only.
1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes.
One
Now
hour,
8
30 minutes.
o'clock
Okay.
43 minutes in Omani time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's 1.5
Now
hours back.
8 o'clock 43 minutes in Omani time. Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour 30 minutes. One half. Yeah.
Okay, good to know. And did you go through the session document?
Yeah, yeah, I see. I saw. I think business idea. Yeah,
Yes, so
business
very
idea.
interesting topic, business idea. And
Yeah,
before we can start, we'll have an extempore. So you have two topics. You
yeah.
can speak on either of the topics, whatever you like. So first topic is it better to be influential or rich, or parents should not choose their child's career? Which one you would you like to speak on?
Yeah, I think every parent's thinking is a better education and is a settle the job. Not he
Mhm.
thinking is a business. He has the doing the business. I think every parent's thinking. I don't know, but every parent's thinking is better study and settle the job, not business. Yeah, some people is a parents also. He have already doing the business. Then his parents suggest. I think some parents is not every parents is also business like that, but his daughter, yeah, his son is suggest you doing the job. Yeah, is better education and other field doing the job. Yeah,
Mhm.
but I think I don't know, but his parents is thinking, but business is better. I think doing the
Mhm.
work every time, job, but is a fixed. You doing the work is a fixed time, and then is
Mhm.
money also fixed. But business is earn a lot of money.
Mhm.
Yeah, is a number one business in India. All our world is a number one. Is a business is possible, but his job is a fixed one. Any country doing the job is fixed salary you give him. Yeah, on the fixed
Mhm.
salary. But business a lot of and apart money earn. He is
Mhm.
not doing the same time fixed timing. He's open every time. Is close every time. You're thinking, yeah, your business. I think,
Great. So, do you
but
ever
not
think of
easily.
starting?
I think.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, my thinking
Do
also
you
I'm
ever think of
starting the
starting?
business, but yeah, my thinking yeah, I'm started the business, but not possible. Now I'm doing the work, a lot of pressure. Yeah, sometimes parents also now is complete be you doing the work. Yeah, I think, but I'm not told you and my parents. I have not told you. I was not told you my parents. I'm doing the business, but my thinking. My thinking I'm doing
Okay.
the business, but yeah. But I think I will future. Now I'm not thinking I will future. I think before 8 or 10 years, earn a lot of money. Then I'm stay there in India, and my born on. Then I'm a small business. Yeah, I might think.
Okay.
Anytime,
Okay,
lot of
great.
thinking is a lot of different type of business. Yeah.
So, what is your idea of a business? I mean, what do you think is the main difference between a job and a business?
Different, yeah, different, lot of different. Is a fixed. I am already told you, ma'am. Is a fixed time. You're doing the work, but business
Mm-hmm.
not fixed time.
Mm-hmm.
Business,
So, is it a good
yes,
thing or a
business
bad?
is on the okay, no problem. Yeah, is I think is sometimes you're doing the work is a fixed salary, but business is okay. Sometimes is not on the money, but sometimes is not every person is lot of money in business. Yeah, tell you, ma'am.
Yes. So, yeah, you were saying something. Your idea of business.
Yeah, my idea is yeah, but is a different idea, but I'm not fixed. One idea that doing the he's clearly this business will be a start. But now I'm thinking like that showroom, a small showroom like that is mall. I will be start in future.
Okay, interesting. So, do you have any such business
Yes.
ideas in your mind that you don't feel comfortable sharing with people, thinking they might make fun of you?
Yeah, I'm already told you, ma'am, a lot of business idea, but now it's not lot of money. First of all, not lot of money. Then I'm starting business. Any business I start first time in India, first license, you given the license first. Any business like that you teaching, is a take the
Mm-hmm.
license first time. Yeah, India is a
Yes.
first license. Then lot of paper is submitted in government. I think. Then
Mm-hmm.
you will be a start. Yeah, I think is a first you earn the money. I think is a background is a okay backup money.
Mm-hmm.
Then you start in business. I think is a better business. Is lot of I think anything showroom like that. A small is a mall is a yeah is anything mall is also is now is not doing the work. Is a lot of worker doing the work. Is better.
Mm-hmm.
My
Great.
thinking. What do you think, ma'am? What do you think?
I also think business is, I always dream of having a business down the line. I cannot work for someone else my whole life. So I do plan
Yeah,
to
yeah,
start something of my own, but I don't have any solid idea right now. To be very honest, I do not have any idea what
yeah, yeah.
exactly I should be doing. But maybe let's see. We can always explore. We can always there should be something that I would like doing. So I'm on that exploring part.
Yeah, so yeah.
So
Yeah, okay. Is there anything? Yeah, yeah.
so what is that one business
Yeah, tell him,
you
ma'am.
saw that surprised or that amused you and made you wonder how this type of business or this type of idea can become so successful? Have you ever seen any such business which you thought
I
that it
don't.
would not work but it
Yeah,
worked
but
very well?
yeah, I think yeah. I'm first. Yeah, yeah. Is a small business like that. I'm doing the work, but same like that
Mhm.
company. Is not possible. Is a lot of money earn. Lot of yeah. Is not possible. But I'm a
Mhm.
small business. Yeah, I'm already to like that is a showroom. Like that is a gold jewelry is better. It's a small business. Yeah, is a, I think like that shop, not big business. I think.
Okay.
But I think it start in business. I think it grow up in business. Is big businessman, but he is not started. He only thinking not possible. I like dream my business, but I doing the. I will be future. I'm start, but now I'm not possible. Now I'm doing the work in other country. Yeah,
Okay. And which
yeah.
businesses are successful in your area or your country as a whole, according to you? So, which business is most successful in Oman?
I think showroom. Yeah, yes. I think Oman. I don't know. Oman is a lot of paper. Yeah, first is a local people is any business will be start. I don't know is a lot of paper. I'm doing the job, but India I think showroom is better. Like that Honda, Mercedes, anything is a yeah, and is a mall is also better. Yeah, a jewelry shop. Yeah, is better. A small shop like that. Yeah, small or big anything is a. But business, I think business is like that factory. Is a lot of a lot of invest the money. Is not possible. Your parents not give. Yeah, my parents not given the lot of money. Yeah, okay. But he support 1 lakh at 10 lakh. But is one factory installation. I think charge 5 or 10 crore minimum. Minimum 5 or 10 crore is not possible. I think a small business, my dream. Yeah, a small business like that, mall, showroom, anything. Yeah, is gold jewelry shop. Yeah, my thinking. I think success. His business is success. I think mall also success. Now is a lot of you want mall. Is a lot of people is a coming generation is yes. Every person is every fashion in naval dress. Is other country like to like it is a lot of price. I think is a I think 1,000 and every person is a purchase 4,000 5,000 is expensive. Also India is every month every year is expensive. Dresses is apply is expensive. New coming generation a lot of. I think is showroom is better. My thinking. Jewelry also is upcoming generation is expensive and on the lot of money. Mall also yeah same like that. My thinking yeah.
Yeah, even I think
And
jewelry shop
garments
showroom is
yeah
very good idea.
yeah yeah.
And
Yeah,
what are
tell me.
some must-have qualities for a business person or entrepreneur?
Quality. I don't know. I'm not investing anything. I'm not doing the yeah in any business. I don't know. Hey,
But
any person is
don't you think that to
play,
be a business person, you need to have some
yeah
sort of specific qualities?
yeah. I don't know, but I think any person is a lot of thinking. I think a business idea is okay. Is anything India is Mukesh Ambani, but is a suggestion is other people is a lot of people is suggest. But I'm not playing. My thinking is some. He's a big businessman. Is big thinking. Yeah. Now I'm my thinking
Right.
only doing the job. Yeah, I'm a small. Yes, my dream only. Yes, anything is shop. Yeah, a small showroom. Yeah, anything. But his big businessman is big thinking. I don't know. It's a lot of investment like that. Geo first will be starting free. Okay, every person is thinking is free, but yeah, 1 year I think free. Next year is 300 or 400 pay. Now is better. Is number one in Geo. But yeah, but
Yes.
other country, you stay I stay there in other country, but other country net is very expensive. You know, Oman is
Yes,
also
yes.
expensive net.
Yes, internet
Yeah,
and calling is very
yeah,
expensive in other countries. I've personally have
yeah. I think
experienced it.
yeah, yeah. Oman I think Oman 10 GB net 2,000. 2,000 rupees in 10 GB net 1 month only
That's a
charge.
lot.
But
Yeah.
India 2,000 yeah. Yeah, India, yeah, very expensive Oman. Saudi, I think is less than. Oman is
Okay.
expensive.
So only for calling or in general, Oman is very expensive.
Oman is calling also is expensive. Yeah, calling also yeah, net is net. I think is expensive, but every chat is expensive. I think India compare every chat is
Compared
expensive,
to India.
but in yeah compared to India, but net is a lot of expensive. I think Geo is India is free 300 1 month use 1 GB every day, but Oman 10 real and 10 GB given, and yeah he's a 10 real is a 10 GB 1 month. He's not complete 1 month. I think play. I think 20 or 22 days left
28
him.
days.
Yeah, it's finished. Yeah, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. It's very expensive. Yeah.
And what about
Oman net
food
is very
and
expensive.
clothing there? Is that also expensive in Oman?
Yeah, expensive. Yeah, yeah. Compared to India is expensive. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But not feel is not feel, but net is feel. Yeah, like that.
Mm-hmm.
400 or 500 in India 1 month, but Oman is only I think 30 GB. I think 4,000 or 5,000 rupees per month. 30
That's a lot
GB
of
is
money.
net given. I think 4,000 5,000 minimum.
And we get it
Yeah.
in 300, 400 bucks.
Yeah, 300, 400 only per month. Yeah.
Mhm.
I think 400 or 500 rupees given 84 days, I think. Yeah,
Yes,
80 days.
yes.
Yeah, 80
550,
days. It,
550 is 84 days.
84 days. But Oman is, I think, 20 real, 30 DB given, only 30 days. Only 30 days.
Mhm.
Yeah, very expensive. Net is very expensive.
Okay.
Only Geo is less. Yeah, India is Geo, I think. Is also, I think, before 5 or 6 years is Airtel is I think I am studying in B. It's
Mm-hmm.
expensive. Airtel. Yeah. I think 200 or 300 1 GB. 1 GB
Yes,
net Airtel 300 rupees. Yeah.
yes, yes. So
And
before
then
Jio,
you
even our
came,
country was
he
very
was came
expensive.
to, uh, yeah, less than, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now I'll quickly move to the
And
feedback part.
I think you actually,
Sorry, continue,
yeah,
continue.
tell me, yeah, tell me, sure, ma'am. No, tell me, ma'am. First you, yeah, feedback part. Then I'm correct
Okay, so
anything, yeah.
yes, so have you started reading?
Okay.
You have to start reading in English because you are struggling with sentence formation a little bit. So if you want fluency
Okay.
while you speak, so you will need to start reading also.